Shamata. Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know about friends and choose them carefully. In a dense forest, a rat lived under a tree by making a hole. The mouse was very good, who treated people very well, and he also made friendship with others quickly. Near that rat's hole, there was a small reservoir. A frog lived in that reservoir. All day, the frog was thinking that his reservoir is very small, because of which not many people live there. In this case, he had no friends. He used to remain unhappy about this. One day, when he was sitting silently unhappy on the banks of the reservoir, the mouse noticed him. Seeing the frog sad, the rat wondered why he was so sad. In such a situation, he went to the frog and asked, "What is the matter, my friend? Why are you so sad? I was watching you from a distance. Seeing you were sad, I could not keep me away. That's why I came here." The frog liked the rat, then he shared his problem. "Actually, the reservoir in which I live is small. No one lives in that reservoir except me. I am alone. I have no friends. That's why I am sad." Hearing this, the rat said, "That's all, I become your friend from today." Hearing this, the frog was very happy because now he also had a friend with whom he could talk and share his feelings. From that day onwards, the frog and the rat became very good friends. They both sat together and talked for hours. The friendship of both of them was increasing day by day. Most of the time, Frog would go to the hole of the rat and talk with him. One day, a thought came in the frog's mind. The frog thought that he goes to the hole of a rat to meet his friend, but that rat does not come to visit the frog's reservoir. In such a situation, he started making the idea that somehow he would bring the rat inside the reservoir. The very next day, he went to the rat and said to him, "Dude, how nice it would have been when we remembered each other and we could know it. You would have known if I had missed you, and you had known when I would miss you." Hearing this, the rat said, "Yes, you are right." In such a situation, the frog said again, "Why don't we tie each other with a rope? When I stay in the reservoir and remember you, then I will pull the rope. Then you will know that I am missing you. That's when you will remember me while living in hole. Then you pull the rope, then I will know that you are missing me." The rat liked the idea of the frog. After this, the frog tied the rope in his leg and the rat tied the rope in his leg. After doing this, the frog pulled the rope and brought the rat inside the reservoir. The rat was fluttering because he could not swim. After some time, that rat died. When this was happening, an eagle was watching the rat from the sky. He flew straight and came down and pressed the rat into his feet and flew up. The frog was also tied to the rope with a rat. As soon as the eagle flew with the rat, the frog also started flying in the air. The frog could not understand what was happening to him. Now the frog was also flying in the air with the eagle. The frog tried hard to get out of the rope but failed, and eventually he died in the air. Children, the company of the right people will make every moment of your life pleasing even when you feel detached. You need the right people in your life if you want honest and precise advice. They may not be able to make things right, but with their supportive attitude, provide your firmness and boldness to face adverse situations. First, watch who you associate yourself with. The people you spend the most time with have a bigger influence on you. We grow out of a lot of behaviors because we realize that the consequences aren't worth the temporary fun. Be aware, have fun, but protect yourself. Children, this story teaches us that we should not do bad things to others. When we do bad things to others, same thing can be happen with us. Choose your allies carefully. Children, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Katha Shravanam for more interesting stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.